Ah, the chairlift. I remember my first time, the anticipation, the icy cold shiver of fear. Let's take a look at some of the joys shared by these novice skiers, high atop Mount Moron. The crew is always eager to help a new generation hit the slopes before the chair hits them. Pulling a kid off the chair is worth time and a half. Once more, the chair has the last laugh. She came for love and got dumped. The thrill of skiing is always more exciting if you actually let go of the chair. 1's a chairlift, 2's company, 3's a crowd, and 4 is good for a lot of laughs later in the lodge. Here's the ever-popular ski toss. 3 points if you hit an instructor with the pole. Here's a tricky move, the ski lift sandwich. You want your ski? Go get it.